Hey, this is Terrence Young with eFunder. I want to talk to you today about 4 ways that you can actually get started as a real estate investor with little or no money. Now, number 1, a residential mortgage. If you're looking to buy a house, why just buy a single family house? If you know you want to be an investor, do you know that you can buy up to 4 units? Yes, a duplex, a triplex, or a quadplex for up to 4 units with a residential mortgage. You could do this with an FHA loan, right? So with an FHA loan, you're only putting down maybe like 3.5%. And as long as you're going to live in the property, you can get that residential mortgage, right? It don't get no better than that. It don't get no cheaper than that, except for no money down, of course, right? But we'll get to that. Number 2, a commercial mortgage. This is a mortgage like if you're going to do a buy, fix, and flip, or you're buying something that's true commercial, or you're buying that duplex, triplex, single family home, quadplex, 5 unit, 10 unit as an investor. So normally you're going to put down 10, 20, 25, maybe even 30% down on that deal. Now it's actually still great, even though you're putting down more, because what you're doing is you're leveraging the lender. See, let's say you have to put 20% down on that property, right? So let's just say it's $1 million property. Now you're putting down $200,000, whereas the lender, he's actually putting down the $800,000, right? So now you have tenants in there. The tenants will be paying back that mortgage, right? They'll be paying the insurance costs, they'll be paying the maintenance costs, and they'll be putting money in your pocket. So, and I know $1 million may be a big number to you, but let's just say it was a $100,000 property. You're still putting down $20,000. So leveraging a lender, it's a great way to get started in real estate investing. Now, another way, and a way that I love, is private money or private lenders. Now, one thing about private lenders is usually you need to have experience for them to invest with you, right? But you may have, say, mom, dad, grandma, uncle who believes in you, and they may want to invest in you or with you. So what's great about a private investor, especially on buy, fix, and flip properties, a lot of times they may do up to 70% of the after repair value. So now if you buy that property correctly, right, you may be able to get the purchase and the renovation money to do that property with no money out of your own pocket, right? Now you could go sell that property, or you can go refinance that property to pay them off, and now you have another investment property, right? All right, the 4th way is seller finance. I love this also, because now you can negotiate a great deal. You can ask the seller to hold the financing, and maybe you only give them a certain percentage down. You could possibly do it with no money down, but this is a very, very good strategy to get started in real estate investing. So let's recap. Residential mortgages, good up to 4 units. Commercial mortgages, all you're doing is leveraging the lenders, right? Private money, because private money, you make the terms. It's what you all agree on. And of course, seller financing. Seller financing is great. All right, this is Terrence Young with eFunder. Look, if you liked what you heard, please share this, like, subscribe. All right, see you next time.